Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. I am on my way down to the National NACI. If you don't know what that is, that's the National Association for the Education of Young Children. Got on my way down to the conference in Washington, D.C. to go introduce the country to yoga latte. And on my way, I went to get a cup of coffee, and the cashier asked me if I wanted to donate some money for awareness. And it's awareness of a certain type of disease that still exists. And I don't feel like saying what it is, because if I do say what it is, then people will start making up stories in their mind about it. And here's the thing. I guarantee you that people know this disease exists. The only people that would not know this disease exists, especially in our society, I would say maybe elementary schools. And here's the thing, why do we focus so much on awareness, on things that we already know about? Now, ALS, didn't know anything about that. The Ice Bucket Challenge was amazing. It promoted actual awareness. Kudos to them and to raising money for that. But are there other things that you have seen that people are asking for money to promote awareness? How about we focus on a cure? How about we focus on figuring out what is causing these particular diseases, and also figuring out who are the ones that benefit financially and monetarily from keeping these diseases going? Something to think about. Another episode of Deep Driving. I appreciate you for listening. By the way, can you please share this? I really have never asked for that, but I'm going to start asking, can you share this with people? Because I think that the Deep Driving helps, from what I've heard from other people. They've told me this, and to create our generation accountable, which is the generation where people are going to be accountable for themselves and their decisions and their choices, and actually become responsible and powerful, which is going to be amazing. Please share. I invite you to do that. Have a wonderful day. I appreciate you all.